Hello everybody. I'm coming at you once again from the Latchbar studio located in Nyack, New York. My name is LW and I am going to conduct an exercise or a few exercises for the abs and abs only. So sit back and relax. You're probably watching the football game, but I am going to demonstrate how to get those abs in the best of shape using multiple equipment. I am not only going to use the latch bar, I am going to use an ab roller, and I'm also going to use a hula hoop. Now these different exercises are enabled because I have strengthened myself and conditioned myself using the latch bar exercise system. So you'll see what I mean. These exercises aren't the easiest to do, but they're not the most difficult to do either. So anybody can do them with a little bit of practice. So here we go. Let me set my timer so I'll know exactly what I'm doing here. And we're off. The first thing, we're going to use the basic latch bar. The basic latch bar with straps to do sit-ups and also to do crunches. We may do a little stretch in between, and then we're going to use the warm-out setup, and we're going to do the pull-up crunch, and then we're going to do pull-down crunches and side crunches. Then we're going to go back to the floor. So we're going to do a repetitive exercise because this is a real exercise. It's not a demonstration. It's an exercise, and ultimately it'll turn into my workout. So here I go. To the floor. We're going to grab the set of long straps. And this is all about the core. Okay, now I'm going to go to my crunch. Using the next set of straps, either shorter straps. So we're going to pull our legs inward. So our knees are in the air. And here we go. And you know where you can find the latch bar exercise system on my webpage. My webpage is, you got it, www.LW500products.net. You can also see more than 100 demonstrations on the YouTube channel. Log on to YouTube and in the search field, type LW500 Latch Bar Exercise System. And then once my video pops up, subscribe, please. I need subscribers so that I can get my own page on YouTube. That's how it works. You need subscribers, and then after you get subscribers, you can get your own channel. Without subscribers, 1,000 to be exact. I have 1,000, but you really need more consistently. So that way, they'll grant me a page. So I'm looking for your assistance there to help me out. Help me get my own page. I'd really appreciate it. Otherwise, we're running a marketing campaign that all of you should be aware of. With this marketing campaign, you could win a sweepstakes and win $500 worth of Latch Bar exercise equipment. But you must log on to my website and you will see the marketing promotions, my landing page, and everything. Just go to my website and you will see certain pop-ups, and they will ask you, of course, to leave your email as a form of entry for the sweepstakes. The drawing is December 1st. Now these are rollouts. Everybody knows these rollouts. They're no joke. Now some of you use a rollout that looks like this, and some of you use a roller that looks like this. They'll both do the same work if you use them. How about that? So from there, we're going to go to the warm out once again. And we're going to do some pull down crunches. Remember, this is all about the abs. So if you want to get your abs in shape, you got to work hard on your abs. Otherwise, you won't see any changes. Just like anything else, you have to make sure that you're properly dieting. If you want to see some results, you have to do it the right way. Alrighty? So now we're going to go back to the floor and we're going to repeat those steps once again. And in case you're wondering what happened to the hula hoop, that's the finale. That's when we'll see that. After we do an adequate number of sets here, don't worry, it's not going to be that many, but it'll be an adequate amount. Because remember, what we're doing here is 25 per step. It's 25 sit-ups, 25 crunches, 25 pull-ups, 25 pull-downs, 25 roll-outs, and 25 pull-down crunch. So that's 150. So we're going to do a couple of those. And we'll see where we're at. In the meantime, we're going to go back to our sit-up and crunch. Alrighty. Right into that crunch. We don't want to waste a whole lot of time in between. We want to get it while we're nice and warmed up. Keep going. Any of you are welcome. If you feel physically fit, you want to come on over, be a part of my marketing demonstrations, I'll welcome you. This is not about competition. We need to be serious. That's all I ask. If you come over, please be serious. I will show you how to use my equipment. And if you don't think you like it, we'll work on it. I'm sure if you feel that you're not accomplishing anything by watching, you won't be. But if you come over, I'll guarantee that you will be impressed before you leave. You will see that this is not as easy as it looks. And mostly everyone, since my product is new, everyone is familiar with this roller here, and you know that it's no joke. So the only way that I can roll this roller out like I do is because I've conditioned myself doing all these other things that you see me doing using the Latchbar exercise system. It enabled me to do a full rollout like this. How many people do you see do a full rollout. With either one, doesn't matter. If you think that's easier, doesn't matter. If you're able to do it with one, you can do it with the other. That's my point. Okay, now we're about to go back to the bench. And we're going to conduct some more pull down crunches. And then some more side crunch. Now actually, when you do the side crunch, you're doing 50 because you're doing 25 per side. So that's what I have going on here. So I didn't account for that when I told you the total that we're doing per set. If I include the extra 25, then it's 175 per set. So the side crunch is good for your muscles that you have on your side, over here, and you're crunching down those extra calories that you have here too. Hey, I know what you're talking about. I have them too. I just don't have as much. Not anymore. How about that? All righty. We got 18 minutes going, so we can get down and do another set. We're running low on battery power here. I didn't realize it. These things need to be charged so often. It's unbelievable. I understand. Thank you very much. Just don't shut off on me. I want you to record my time. Here we are once again. We have a basic latch bar. We have a set of 2 straps, a set of long straps, and a set of short straps. The long straps are adjusted so that I can conduct a sit-up, and the short straps are so that I can conduct crunches. The straps are adjustable to anyone's size. So it doesn't matter how short or how tall you are, the straps will adjust to your size. I'm not letting you off the hook. So, it's very easy to get your latch bar in place, to put it on the ball of your foot, as you see it on the ball of my feet. And I'm ready to start conducting my sit-up. As you can see, the sit-up becomes very, very easy, sitting up and also releasing myself, going back to the laying down position. So, you're pulling yourself up with your arms and your abdomen. So at the same time, you're strengthening your abdomen and your arms at the same time. And you can also grab your hand grips and give yourself a nice stretch. Pull yourself into that perpendicular position. Get as flat as you can get. So you want to be horizontal. Okay, now we're going to go into our crunch. Pull your feet back so you get those knees in the air. Now you're ready to do a crunch. You see I have a half folded mat. You really don't need to put your legs on the mat, but you want to keep your back on the mat. We'll put this on the side because I'm done with that. We're going to turn around and we're going to do our pull up, crunch. Now we're going to go back to our roller. We're getting there, we're getting there. So at the end of all of this, if each set is 175, then by the time we finish with three full sets, we will have finished with 525 ab core works. I know you're not all tired like I am, but you can bet I'm tired. But it's a good tired because this is a workout for your abs, and Lord knows we all need to work on our abs. So I'm giving you a method, and I'm trying to give you some encouragement, all at the same time. All right, now for some side crunches. This is a targeted exercise session. So you're not going to see me utilize all the other attachments because we just worked on our core, doing core efficient exercise. Not always is your exercise going to be comfortable or easy to do, not always. Sometimes you're going to have to bite the bullet and just get busy. And trust me, you can do it, but you have to want to do it. And if you want to do it, you will eventually do it. You'll get tired of me standing here preaching to you about what you could do. Now, here we go. This is not an ordinary hula hoop. This is a weighted hula hoop, and it is oversized, as you can see. So, we're going to do our finale doing a hula hoop, and you can have the opportunity to laugh or enjoy or be amazed or whatever while I stand and do the hula hoop. Now, you can do it nice and easy if you want, or if you really want to get something out of doing a hula hoop, you want to do it with some type of aggression. So, the faster you go with this weighted hula hoop, the more it's going to beat on your abdomen and those handles. And that's what you want to do because you're trying to work those abs. And this is the only way, using a hula hoop, that you can work those abs. Otherwise, you're just going to be playing. And this is not a toy. As you can see, it is very serious, and it will work your tail off. So I just wanted you to see some of the things you need to do when you're trying to get that ab or those abs in shape. There's a number of different things that you can do to get those abs in shape. This is just another method that you can use. How you like that? Not bad, huh? You know who I am. You know how old I am. Hell, I'm an old man. Ain't no doubt about that. But check me out though. You can do this too, but it'll take practice. It took me practice, but you know, it didn't take much because I was the hula hoop king, being a kid. Pogo stick, all that stuff. I can still do it. That's right. Lots of fun while you're doing it. I didn't realize what we were doing when we were kids doing this stuff. You know, we were doing cardio and we were getting those abs in shape then. Little did I know what we were really doing. But I know now, and that's why I'm utilizing this method too. So I want to thank all of you, whoever it is watching, for participating in my workout. This is a whole ab workout. And you can find the Latchbar product on my website. My website is www.LW500products.net. You can also see more than 100 workout demonstrations on YouTube. Log on to YouTube in the search field. Type in my product name, LW500 Latch Bar Exercise System, and then subscribe to the channel so that you can see more than 100 demonstration workouts. They're all there. Thank you very much for participating and watching me demonstrate and to market my product. Speaking of marketing my product, you're welcome to stop by and assist me in marketing my product. I will put you on Facebook just like I am, or Instagram, or wherever you'd like. We can also do a private workout just for you to learn how to use the equipment. You can do that too. Visit my website, sign on to the landing page, and also sign up for the sweepstakes. You can also win some, not win, or yes, possibly win some coupons for discounts for products on the website also. Thank you all very much. I am going to let the hula hoop fall down as I stop. We had a great time tonight. I know it's rather late, but it's been good. Thank you all. Have a good night.